Hello folks, this is Dylan, and this is going to be my first video and hopefully an ongoing series of videos of me riding around my commute, just showing you around the sights of San Francisco, and yeah. So once again, this is my test run. We're just going to see how this new rig works. This is my motorcycle, it's an RC51. I love it quite a bit. It's really fast. It's much, much faster than I can even ride. Which brings me to an interesting point. Just the fact that people look at the specs on motorcycles so much and compare horsepower and quarter mile time, 0 to 60, any of that stuff. I think it's kind of silly, because really, any sport bike is going to be fast. Even bikes that aren't sport bikes are fast. Motorcycles are just fast in general, and most people can't ride motorcycles to the extent that they can be ridden. So this is my neighborhood. We're going down 22nd Avenue right now. We're coming up on Geary. I haven't lived in San Francisco that long. I've only lived in San Francisco since December, which is March now, so only a few months. I really like living in San Francisco. There's just a lot around, a lot to do. I previously lived in Oakland, which is also really cool. But I'm just really happy to be out here in the city. There's just so much going on out here, and there's always something to do. So if you have the opportunity, I definitely think you should give it a shot. just couldn't help but go out for a ride today. It's just so beautiful today. The weather has just been unbelievable. And anyone who tells you global warming doesn't exist is fucking bullshitting you, because they just don't know what they're talking about. It's March, and it's gorgeous out in San Francisco. I mean, it's almost t-shirt weather right now. We're going to go down to the beach, and we're going to see. It's just such a gorgeous day. I haven't really been riding much lately. I started a new job, and I just got a new car, and the job requires me to do a lot of really early mornings, and early mornings in the dark, cold, just don't really go well with the motorcycle. Which isn't a bad thing, because I don't know if I necessarily want to be commuting on my motorcycle. I used to commute every day on my motorcycle. Look how beautiful that is. And now that I'm driving every day, it is nice. But I do miss riding my motorcycle, and that's why I'm on it today. Because it's just an absolutely gorgeous day, and I can't resist riding. Look at that. Ocean Beach. It's probably the most popular beach in San Francisco. Really cold though. The water, not a whole lot of people go into the water without a wetsuit. But on a day like this, it's very nice nonetheless to be out and about and just hang out at the beach, check out the waves. Looks like the beach is happening in place today. Quite a few people hanging out. Lots of people out and about. On my left is Golden Gate Park. Really big park in San Francisco. Really nice. Lots of stuff to do in Golden Gate Park.